Good morning, everyone. Today we are live with our Air Force Group X and Y batch in CCA Defense Academy. We have one of our students who is selected in Group X and Group Y, Ravinder Seni from Shri Madhupur. He has just passed his Group XY exam from CCA Defense Academy, and now he is preparing for his group discussion. So we are just going to have a discussion with him about a current topic, that is climate change and pollution. I think this is the biggest topic nowadays. We need to discuss about this topic. In Delhi, we are reading every day in newspaper that the AQI, air quality index level, is increasing day by day in Delhi and many of the cities. Now, that's the very important topic, and we are going to discuss with Ravinder. We have Ravinder Seni with us, selected student in Air Force Group XY exam. So, Ravinder, most welcome to this live session with us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And congratulations that you've been selected in Group X. You passed your exam and you are going to appear in group discussion very soon. So where's your center actually?
My sample is at Bhopal.
Your center is at Bhopal. Oh, that's wonderful. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
And my best wishes for you for your group discussion in physical. So we are going to discuss about, as we have already told you, that we are going to discuss about climate change and pollution, right? So what's your viewpoint about climate change? So can we start with your introduction so that they may know about you?
Firstly, sir, thank you for that giving me opportunity to talk with us. So my name is Ravinder Kumar Seni and I am from Sikar, Rajasthan. My topic of climate change is that what are the main symptoms of climate change? First, we have to understand about main symptoms of climate change. Suddenly increasing temperature or decreasing temperature, increasing of ocean level, expansion of summer winters. So they are main symptoms of climate change. And
Okay. So according to you, I wish to know about the effects of climate change first. Can you please elaborate the effects of climate change?
yes, I can elaborate that its effect on greenhouse effect, our land, our ocean levels, as well as our forest.
So it affects not only our forests, it affects every single thing, right?
Every single thing, yes.
Okay. So do you think planting trees will help us?
Yeah, planting tree will help us because it remove tsunamis, its soil erosion, its
Deforestation and soil erosion.
Yes,
Okay. So that will help us to protect our environment. Is that so?
yes.
Okay. And what about the industries, those who are polluting the environment? What we can do for that?
So we have to make a high charge on destroying our environment.
Those who are destroying their
Those
environment, we should charge, right? We should charge penalties and other things.
Very
Is that
high
so?
penalty. They are even they can't think about so do that.
Okay. So what's your viewpoint about pollution?
Pollution increase day by day, and we are only asking and give our opinion, but we do not apply on ourselves. First, we have to apply.
How like, can you please elaborate about pollution and its effect? Like, especially when we talk about air pollution, the condition in Delhi, right? Can you elaborate that?
We have to stop single-use plastics, and we have to avoid plastic and give. Matlab, is it think that the I think that plastic rate is very high, so even we can't think about to buy plastic.
Okay. So this is the one solution,
One
right?
solution,
And
and afforestation is the second most major solutions.
so we should stop cutting trees. You wish to say that, right?
Instead of cutting tree, we have to also
Plant.
plant the trees.
Okay, so we should plant many trees apart from cutting the trees. Okay, and what more can be done so that we should not have a condition like Delhi in Rajasthan as well, or in all over India?
We have to stop the things that cause pollution, like crackers. On every occasion we use crackers, so
Okay.
we have to stop them,
Okay.
or we stop cutting plants.
Okay, so we should stop cutting plants. So every time you're focusing on planting trees and cutting.
No, I am focusing on stopping plastics also,
Okay.
and I am also on use of ACs that use hydrochlorofluorocarbon.
Okay. So ACs are harmful for our environment. You wish to say that?
Not all AC, the good quality ACs are still less harmful, but there are so many cheap ACs that give very harm to our.
They are harmful for
They are
us.
harmful.
So what will be the effect? What will be the effect on an environment of these particular ACs, these particular environment change, and due to this air quality, what will be the effect on the lives of the people?
It's life. It's damage our breath system, our lungs, and it gives some diseases like lungs, some lung cancer, asthma like problems, and give irritation on eyes. And it's have a great impact on greenhouse effect. The heat entering our environment cannot escape from our environment, so it's increase of temperature or also increase of melting points in ocean level.
Okay, that's wonderful to know that this is very harmful for our body as well, right?
Yes.
And it might create so many diseases as well.
Not
like-
only the disease, also mental effect also. Even we know that if we have a good environment, we can easily take bath, and we can also physically also as well as mentally fit.
Okay, that's wonderful to know about that. I would like to know so many other things about this as well. That you've talked about the effects of air pollution. What could be the effect of soil pollution?
The soil become barren, and okay sir, the soil become barren. We have to use so many medicines to grow a simple amount of agricultural products. So it's increasing. What it's increasing? It's increasing the industry who make the medicines. So even allow to give medicines to soil. Even we can plant it.
So the soil pollution which I'm talking about, like people use so many chemicals
Yeah,
nowadays,
okay.
right, to plant so many crops.
Crops.
So do you think is it harmful for the land?
Yeah, it's very harmful to everybody knows, and the scientific also clear that it impact on the agriculture, and it's after some time the land goes to barren.
Okay, so the land becomes barren.
Barren.
Oh, that's really good to know that there are so many effects of that particular thing. And what about water pollution? When we talk about water pollution, what could be the harmful impact? Like suppose we were reading some of the news in Delhi as well, in many other cities as well, that people are not getting good water to drink. When we were reading about the news of Jaipur, right? Jaipur is completely dependent on rainwater, right? We are completely dependent on rainwater in some of the cities, and rainwater is the biggest source for our energy, for our water, right? For drinking water. So, what could be the best way to protect that particular water pollution?
I think we have to use the water which go on the oceans. Even they go and again it recycle, and it take a long process. So we can use the water directly from the rivers and avoid mixing of chemical or food waste on the water.
So you might have seen whenever we visit to any coastal areas, we throw garbage over there,
Yeah.
right? You might have seen that we throw garbage on the road, we throw garbage on in rivers as well. So that is the main reason behind this water pollution, or industries also play the most important role. Like in Kanpur, in Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur, there were so many industries, leather industries. They are also polluting the environment, or polluting the water.
Everybody give their important role on polluting the water. So those who are doing that, even we can't stop everyone, but we stop ourselves as well as trying to stop others. So we stop industries. The government of India ban the industries who are trying to
Pollute the environment.
Pollute the environment.
Okay. Any specific suggestions for the audience who are watching us live? Those who are watching us live, any specific suggestions to them?
Yes, my personal suggestion is that not only this is a topic, this is our life thing that we have to do. We can active from physically also. If we clean our environment, we are active physically, active mentally, and instead of talking, we have to do also. Not only for talking is a topic of a good discussion.
Okay, so here we were discussing with Ravindra Saini, and we got to know so many good things with Ravindra, that and scientific reasons as well. So as Ravindra said that we need not to discuss these topics, we have to act on these topics. This is not a mere topic. We need to be aware, we need to make aware, and we need to do something to save our environment. This is the only solution which we can do to save our environment. And we should make sure that we are going to plant so many trees day by day. And thank you so much for watching us live. We'll be live with our many other students as well. And thank you so much for watching us live. Keep supporting us, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much, Ravindra.
Thank you, sir.